Fresh concerns about lockups as 8 jailbreakers remain at large. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Commissioner hints at more sanctions for cops after weekend jailbreak.
Big jewelry heist downtown. This evening, why cops think it may have been an inside job.
PJ Patterson comments about the future of the PNP and renewal.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary, weather, E-Prime in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are your thoughts about the PNP internal elections on the weekend?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.